Welcome to Bronto Chip. In this video, I am going to show you top 5 OSINT tools of 2020. So before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel and share our videos for more videos in these topics. What is OSINT? Open Source Intelligence is multi-method methodology for collecting, analyzing and making decisions about data accessible in publicly available sources. These sources are used in intelligence context. In this intelligence community, the term open refers to overt publicly available sources. So in this video, the first name is the Harvester. The Harvester is a very simple to use yet powerful and effective tool designed to be used in the early stages of a penetration test or red team engagement. Use it for open source intelligence gathering to help determine a company internal threat landscape on the internet. The tool gathers different kind of details, subdomain, IPs, URL, etc. For this you will be requirement of Python 3+7 or you can download from the GitHub repository or the official website. So the second number is Maltigo. Maltigo is an open source intelligence tool and graphically link analysis tool for gathering and collecting information for investigate tasks. Maltigo allow us to quick pull data from profiles, posts, comments into one graph where we can conduct text searches and see connections. In just a few minutes, we can narrow initial research to a handful individuals using variation of aliases connected to suspected local traffickers. We do not have to able to do that without Maltigo. And the things will be requirement for this tool is you can download the tool from the official website. Our third number tool is ReconNG, or you can say the ReconNG framework. ReconNG full-featured reconnaissance framework designed with the goal of providing a powerful environment to conduct open source web-based reconnaissance quickly, thoroughly. ReconNG has a look and feel similar to the Metasploit framework, reducing and learning curve for leveraging the framework. However, it is quite different. ReconNG is not intended to compete with existing framework as it is designed exclusively for web-based open source reconnaissance. If you want to exploit, use Metasploit framework. If you want to social engineer, use a social engineer toolkit from the Kali Linux, which is pre-installed. If you want to conduct reconnaissance, use ReconNG. Our next tool is Spiderfoot. Spiderfoot is an open source intelligence tool, which is also automation tool. It integrates with just every data sources available and utilizes a range of methods for data analysis, making that data is easy to navigate. Spiderfoot has an embedded web server for providing a clean and intuitive web-based interface, but can also be used completely via command line. There are some features of Spiderfoot. They are web-based UI or CLI, over 200 modules, Python 3, CSV JSON, GEXF export, API key import you can also export, SQLite, high configurable, fully documented visualization and Tor integrated. The requirement for this tool is Python 3 pip, or you have to required for the official website to download this tool. Our next tool name is Metagofil. Metagofil packages, or it is an information gathering tool designed for extracting metadata of public documents like PDF, doc, XLS, PPT, docs, PPTX, XLSX belong to a required sources. Metagofil will perform a search in Google to identify and download document, local hard disk, and then will be extract the metadata with different sources which is publicly available. With the result, it will generate a report with different kind of details, the server machine names, and it will have to penetration test and information gathering phase. The requirement for this tool is pre-installed with Kali Linux. You have to use Kali Linux OS to use this tool. So I hope you guys you required to gather some information about the OSINT framework and you get some knowledge about this framework. So if you like this video, hit like button and share this video with your friends and families and other social media platforms, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.